Just sit still, Andrew, and don't call me Jenny.
Alright, so I think there's a ghost that haunts the halls of St. Mary's.
And what made you think that?
Well, I think it's been going on all semester. I would be up late trying to study in my room, and I would hear these weird noises. You know, like loud music, banging, yelling, shouting.
And this couldn't have been your neighbors?
No, I did a thorough investigation, and my neighbors are just as worried as I am.
Yeah, Andrew knocked on our door one night asking if we were having a party in our room. We just said no and we turned off the music. He believed us. It's happened a bunch of times since then. Same thing every time. So I think now he thinks the place is haunted by some sort of ghost DJ or something. I don't really know. Yeah, so, yes.
Naturally, I investigated on my own at first, but I couldn't come up with anything conclusive.
So what did you do after that?
Well, I put together all the money I had to put you guys together, the best ghost hunting team on campus. First, we've got Clarence Fishburne, expert in natural phenomena.
I think there's been a bit of a misunderstanding. See, I'm an animal enthusiast from Melbourne. Got myself 1 million views or so, wrestling a wallaby. I lost, but that's beside the point. Anyways, Andrew gave me a call, seemed like a lovely bloke. Asked me if I could help him with something that was supernatural. Said there was a spirit. Anyways, as someone who is into spirit animals, I took the offer. I mean, I love what's natural too, and who doesn't love supper?
Right.
The pay is mint too. The Australian dollar is commonly referred to as a wawa.
And then there's former ghost hunter extraordinaire Robert Hauntpower.
How's the lighting?
It looks fine.
Fine? Fine is not the Hauntpower brand. Robert Hauntpower does not do fine. I'm a professional, okay? So why don't you get it right?
Really? Do professionals walk in on women in the shower?
That was one time, and there was ectoplasm on the walls.
Okay, now what brings you to Villanova?
This is my comeback story. I hit rock bottom, got kicked off of Bravo. They canceled the Paranormal Housewives of Orange County. They killed my baby. But Hauntpower's no quitter. I'm getting back on top. And if that means hunting down some ghost in a dorm hall, then that's what Hauntpower is gonna do. And I'm not gonna let anybody stop me. Not Bravo, not TMZ, not even you, video girl.
Me?
Yeah, I see what you're trying to do, and I won't let you steal this from me.
And then, of course, there's you guys, the trusty Villanova television tech crew.
Still rolling?
Yeah, we're good.
Thanks, Trevor. Basically, we're only here because there's nothing else on campus to film. Plus, and Andrew said everyone on his team would get a Wawa gift card, so hopefully I can just put this on my resume without it being too embarrassing.
Yeah, I mean, I think we should be alright. You think it's gonna work?
Yeah, it might. The only thing I'm worried about is Hauntpower. He's a little concerning.
So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, I guess we should probably get going if we're going to try to catch this thing.
So we're gonna catch this thing, huh?
I mean, yeah, that's the goal.
We'd better. Hauntpower never misses. Camera girls, start rolling. This show is on the road. She's here.
Just me, sorry, got a bit clumsy with the keys. I'm afraid no ghost, but we'll find one eventually.